Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan to get rupees 75.5 billion from Saudi Development Fund. In a surprise development and as a success of Prime Minister Imran Khan's visit, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has committed to provide 75.5 billion to Pakistan from the Saudi Development Fund for development of infrastructure, water resources and hydropower projects in Pakistan. Corona claims 129 more lives, infects 4,109 people. Pakistan recorded 120 deaths in the last 24 hours by novel coronavirus as the number of positive cases has surged to 8,54,240. Saudi Arabia reopens borders for foreign tourists. In a bid to boost its tourism sector, Saudi Arabia has decided to reopen its land, sea and air borders for foreign tourists. 40 killed, several wounded in blast near Afghan school. A blast outside a school in the Afghan capital on Saturday killed at least 40 people and wounded another 52 including students, the Interior Ministry said. India's COVID-19 cases rise by over 400,000 despite state lockdowns. India's total COVID-19 cases rise by over 400,000 for the fourth consecutive day on Sunday, even as several states imposed strict lockdowns to curb the spread of the virus. Myanmar junta designates shadow government as a terrorist group. Myanmar's junta declared on Saturday night that a group of ousted lawmakers running a shadow government would now be classified as terrorists as the military moves to tighten its grip over a country in turmoil. US wants COVID vaccine patent waiver to benefit world, not boost China biotech. The Biden administration is examining ways to ensure that a waiver of COVID-19 vaccine patents to aid poor countries will not hand sensitive US biopharmaceutical technology to China and Russia, responding to a chorus of concerns. Spain lifts coronavirus state of emergency through the relief of many. Spain has lifted the coronavirus state of emergency it imposed back in October 2020 to the joy of millions who had not traveled to other regions of the country. Sadiq Khan wins second term as London mayor. London Mayor Sadiq Khan, who won re-election Saturday, has risen from humble roots to spar with prime ministers and presidents since taking charge of the British capital 5 years ago. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.